Representing Great Army, Vasily Igorov. Vasily Igorov.
Went the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a man and his will to survive.
Here comes here.
So many
the ranked 10th in the world coming into this event.
You change your passion for glory.
Early advantage.
Don't lose your grip on the dreams of the past.
Messy
You
times,
must
not
fight
everything connected.
just to keep them alive. It's deep eye of the tiger.
Gave it everything. Vasily Igorov who goes through to the final four. Scores a lead applauding.
Here comes Vasily Igorov for Russia. What a talent. A brief cameo of both their styles in effect. Lines with the cleaner work. Igorov's busy style seems to have given him control of the play.
You say this is style, Alex, because that's what Igorov is for the time being.
I think he'll be annoyed with himself that he wasn't able to use a style that worked so well for him against talented boxers early on in the competition.
That style would be perfect to beat Igorov as well, but we want these type of boxers as opponents.
So far, where we've had to go to the additional judges. There are 5 judges ringside.